Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. My friend was so kind and sent KitNipBox to Emmy for her birthday. Her birthday's on Friday. Well, now she's coming. I just had to set her up here and she wasn't happy about it. You know that's for you now. So this is a cat subscription box and it's for those who want to spoil their babies. It has catnip toys. I will link it down below if you're interested in subscribing. I know they have multiple subscription tiers, like if you have one cat or multiple cats, and depending on how many items you want, so you can check that out down below. This was sent to Emmy, sorry, as a gift. So I'm not sure, I can't recall offhand, but I think it's around $20. I don't know. Again, I'll link it down below. But let's get this open and see what we have for Emmy. There we go. I am. You can see, so it has here, thank you. We hope you enjoy your fast food themed KitNipBox. A portion of our proceeds are donated to animal welfare causes. Thank you for supporting kitties in need with each box. And then it shows you all the items inside with the pricing. We have 7 items. Emmy, what's in there? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious, what is in the box? What's in there? Oh my goodness, so many toys. Did Trowel get you some toys? Let's see what we have here. Oh. Smokey's famous burger. The secret ingredient is catnip. Oh my god, this is so cute. Emmy, oh, you want the taco? Emmy. Here, let's get the taco for Emmy. This is so cute. I want a taco. I'm gonna try you had tacos today. Avocado fried tacos. I was so jealous. But now Emmy has a taco. Cats love tacos. Who doesn't love tacos? Let's get real here. Let's get this. Emmy, here's a taco. Oh, I love seeing you happy. Look at all these new toys. Let's see, what's this one? A hot dog? So we have a hot dog for Emmy. Oh, this one's already wet. Were you licking it? Just rubbing your face all over it. Here, baby. Oh man, how cute. Cats. Instead of Heinz, cats yellow mustard. Meowstered packet. I need scissors for this one. Oh, I got it. I got it. What else do we have for Emmy? Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oops, sorry, I can't tell if I'm in frame. So cute. Oh, this one feels like some soft plush. Here's a little chicken. And then, oh, yay, we have one of these little like toys here. This is a fountain soda wand with crinkle and safety bell. These are fun. At first, I had one and I couldn't get her to play with it, but I realized like if I do it, hang it in certain ways, like on her cat tower, she'll love it. Oh my gosh! And do we have a treat? What's this? Oh, plus, oh, it's like an advertisement. Oh, if anyone wants to screenshot this, you can save $7 going to see this movie, Puss in Boots: The Last Wish. Oh, Emmy, you want a treat? Okay, let's see what the treats are. Pure Bites, freeze-dried, raw freeze-dried treats or toppers for cats. Wild caught minnow, pure, 1 calorie per treat. Average treats per bag, 65. Emmy, you want one? Oh, it's a Ziploc bag. Get all those papers out of here so you can play on camera. She's so cute. You want a treat, baby girl? Happy birthday, my 6-year-old. She's gonna be 6 in 2 days. Oh my goodness. Ew, God, it looks like a real fish. Sorry, I know I'm dramatic. Emmy, do you want this? Oh my God, it has like eyeballs. But that means it's real, right? Emmy, you want a treat? Or you just into the catnip? Want a treat? She just really likes the taco. Me too. Damn it, I need tacos. Who wants to go for some tacos and marks? I do. Oh, she found the treat. Let's see if she likes it. Look how cute she is. We'll just let you enjoy your stuff for a little bit. So we got all these toys. She loves catnip toys. This is so cute. I can just watch her do this forever. So I'm gonna look and see what the total is. I didn't read the description, but they're all pretty much catnip filled toys. So 10, 16, 23, 28, 33. So it's $38 value, it looks like. And again, I love that they give a portion of their proceeds to animal welfare causes. That's really important to me. And this is just so cute. Like, I love this so much. She hasn't really noticed the treat much because she's so happy with her toys. Oh my God, you guys. We're just going to let her play for a minute. For those who like to watch this, we're going to keep it going because I want to be able to rewatch this. My little baby. Oh, you love the hot dog? What about this treat? Can you show us if you like it? It's right here. Are you just overwhelmed right now? Yeah, she just wants to play right now, which is good. She's a little chunk and I love it, but we're trying to work on portion sizes and stuff. And she's doing good. She's not even focused on the food. Here, baby. This is food. Are you just so into the... Here. No? I don't know if she's going to eat it right now. She's so just into the toys. So I'll have to keep you guys updated for those who care. Oops, I just like flashed my mess. Emmy, come here. Here. This is a little fish thing. You don't want your treat? Here. Here. It's a treat. Want a treat? I think she's more into like the tissue paper than the treat. All right, so yeah, I think the box is a hit. I'm not sure if she'll eat the treats or not. She's so into everything else right now. Oh, bless you. Here, Emmy, come closer this way. So people can see you and say goodbye. So you don't have to show the mess. Oh, you guys want to see what I got her for her birthday? She loves it so much. All right, say bye, Emmy. Say thank you, Trowel, for the present. Thank you, everyone, for watching. We love you so much. Please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment. But yeah, you guys, this is so fun. I love this. Thank you so much, Trowel. Thank you guys for being here and watching. I love you so much. Have a great day.